Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today's demonstration is going to be on a unit sent in by Murphy Auto in, looks like Baraboo, Wisconsin. It's out of a 1975 Pontiac Grand Safari. It's an AM/FM radio with a modern conversion and the Bluetooth and USB features as well. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on and make sure everything works before we send her back. Got it set to FM at the moment. And we'll just run through the presets real quick. I got them all preset. Make sure that part works. Okay, and now we'll run all the way down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations here.
Section explains the right of sovereign choice, which is the
get your girl. That's another one since 1994.
And the ones who are staying. 30 years.
Drop it, mighty.
We're trained.
Email your resume.
Electronics.
Must be received by June 5th.
Dine in for full service.
Okay, that's pretty typical. About 30, 31, 32 FM stations. Let's go to AM. See what we can pick up on that. I usually pick up 2 very weak stations around here.
Policy for your car. You get.
Okay, there's our 3 AM stations. So we'll go back to FM so I can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. The fader control on these radios usually is no good anymore. So we have a front rear fader in the tone control as well as a left right balance control in the same control. So let's go ahead and activate the front rear fader. Okay, fader adjust. Let's bring our meters in the picture. And now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. All the way rear, all the way front, rear,
more good country songs on
front.
radio with Ingrid Andress, who says, "Hey boyfriend, don't mess with my
Okay, I'm going to center them. I'm going to stop adjusting it.
Fader set.
Okay. And as we can see, our left-right balance is a little bit off, so let's adjust that. Same procedure, except to activate the left-right balance control, we turn this control twice to the left.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. Okay, and now we can adjust our balance just the way we want it. All the way left, all the way right, left, right. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers best I can. That's pretty decent.
Balance set.
Okay, now the balance is set. Alrighty, let's make sure the Bluetooth activates. I'm just going to put it into pairing mode. Make sure it pairs. Goes into pairing mode. Okay, didn't activate that. Let's try it again.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
There we go. The activation can be a little tricky, but the Bluetooth did go into pairing mode. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. And as you guys know, I don't do all that on these demo videos. I just make sure the Bluetooth feature works. Let's test the USB reader. Make sure that my radio commercial plays. If I can find the stick. I just had it a moment ago. Ah, here we are. Alrighty. We don't need these meters anymore. Let's plug my radio commercial into the USB reader. Make sure it starts playing.
driving this car. I can't hear the guitar, and all my tapes run slow too. Radio smoking, 8-track decks broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.
Okay, that song I could play in its entirety because I wrote it and I own the copyright. Unplug the stick, radio comes right back. Last thing to check is the aux input. I'm just going to feed a quick tone into it. Make sure it gives me a tone on both left and right. One side, other side, and now there'll be a 20-second delay before the radio comes back on.
Pairing not completed.
Okay, as mentioned, the lady after 90 seconds says pairing not completed. So now let's pop a tape in there and make sure we can play an 8-track tape. Switch tracks how much times? Okay, let's eject the tape. We do that by very lightly pressing this button. If you press it more than that, then you're going to change your radio station. So that confirms all the functions. As you can see from the internal lighting, the dial light does come on. On this radio, the dial light comes on when the radio is turned on, whether it's daylight or not. There is no external terminal for the dash lighting circuit on this particular Delco radio. So that takes care of that. It's all finished and ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next job or probably grab something to eat. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do with a classic car AM radio or an AM FM radio. Incidentally, this customer requested that the conversion be wired to his original connectors, which is going into a common ground speaker system. This means you won't get that massive increase in output power as if you requested the unit with a new harness, 8-wire harness, to where 2 separate wires go to each speaker instead of each speaker being grounded at one side. So that's how we get that massive increase in output power, is by installing that new harness. But as you can see, the conversion can also be wired to the original connectors. You just don't get that big increase in output power. So on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. You can reach me for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. This is not a phone number that you call looking for a belt or a part or some free advice on how to fix that yard sale fine. That's not what I'm here for, guys. This is my livelihood, and the few minutes that I do get off, I'm going to be watching NHL hockey on TV. I'm not going to be telling guys how to fix their own units, and I hope you can understand that. You don't call a auto mechanic shop and say, hey, I'm having a little trouble replacing my timing belt, man. You got a few minutes, so don't call me asking me how to fix your unit. That's just not cool. Thanks so much for watching and listening. My website's in the description below, and my phone number is 928-533-9666. See you guys next time.